shopping. I'm Christmas shopping. I have so much to do and I haven't done any of it, but finally we are out and we are doing it. So yeah, wish me luck. See you in a bit.
Representing Britain and Wales abroad whenever I'm racing, and it's been an amazing year for British sport and long may it continue. Thank you.
What day is it, darling?
It is the 16th of December. Oh, where is it? You've hidden it. That's a nice little trick, I like that. Okay, alright, let's see. I bet your clue's better than my one is because I've had a lot of comments saying it was awful. Today is your day, hip hip hooray. 2 presents I have hid away. Ooh! But where to hide in the small room? Why, where you sweep dust with a broom. So that'll be on the floor. But maybe under the bed? Maybe under the bed. He never gives anything away, guys, by the way. He just looks at me blankly. So I have to work it out. Oh no, wait, look, there's something. Oh.
Where was it?
It was under the rug.
Which is where you sweep dust with a broom, not under the bed.
Well, I sweep it under the bed. No, I don't really. Ooh.
Do you want to open it on camera?
Yeah, do you want to? Oh, sorry.
Yeah, I think you want to.
Sorry. Oh, these are brilliant. Oh, baby. Oh, they're so awesome.
Hold them up.
Nailed it.
So I owed Gabby 2 days because we've been out of the flat and Hobbes likes the colour of these. Hello, Hobbes. Oh.
Oopsie. Yes.
Which colour do you prefer, Hobbes? The blue, please.
Oh.
No, maybe the yellow. No, definitely the blue or the yellow.
Which one? Yeah, yellow. Good choice, Hobbes. Yes. Yay, thank you, my
Tails
darling.
wagging. Do you like this?
I absolutely love them. I always need buttons and I literally use yellow and blue for everything.
And
so
that is so literally
happy.
all the shades of yellow and blue.
Oh, they're perfect. Thank you so much, my
You're
love.
very welcome.
Oh, seriously, how cute are you being? I've got the buttons. Hobbs, you're making me snort. Night night, Hobbs. Hobbs is doing this one alone. Hobbs, good boy. No, wait. Pigs, come here. Okay, go, come on. it's just me solo tonight because everyone's watching something and I just wasn't really into it, and I just wanted to go to bed. So me and Hobbes thought we would set this up ourselves, didn't we? So the table is filming us, and Tiggs, come on sweetheart, come on, come on. And Tiggs is being reluctant. But okay, day 16 of the 20 Advent calendar. And Hobbes, shake, good boy, good boy. Tiggs, come on, peek up darling so people can see you. Come on, peek up. Good boy, peek up, come on, peek up. Someone's there, yes, there we are. Good girl, yay. Alright guys, well it's been such a lovely weekend. I hope you've enjoyed it with us and all the merriment that has ensued. I will see you tomorrow. Tomorrow is a Monday, so I guess we're kind of back to, well, I mean I'm not back to normal, but I'm going to do some sewing tomorrow. I've got lots of presents to make, and yeah, looking forward to that. So I will see you tomorrow for day 17 of Vlogmas. Lots of love.